We went to wash my hands here for lunch and we have no water. So we came up here and was checking to see what was going on. We had no water pressure. And so I checked at the switch, the pressure switch. We had 220 volts there. And I checked the box for the capacitor and we had 220 volts going to the well. So that's bad news. It means we gotta pull the well. It means that everything's working except for the pump, which is at the bottom. So that's something beyond me. So I called our local well company and they're on their way out, but it's about 2 o'clock now and the cows have been without water for 2 hours, which is not a good situation. So hopefully we can get things put back together here in a couple hours and it's going to be time for me to milk. So not a good day, but you'll have those, I guess. Everybody has those, even on the farm. So anyway, we'll see how we do have a well house here. So we pulled the top of it off. That way we can get in here to get at the well itself. So that way we don't have to move the whole building, which has got all the wiring and everything on it. So we thought we'd let them have some water down here in the creek while they're fixing the well. So the cows having a good old time. But they're happy and they get to go run around and act like there's a little bit of pasture, even though there's not. But at least we can give them some water down in the creek while they're working out. What'd you do? Crazy cow, digging in the dirt. They're all having a good old time out here, frolicking in the sun. Thank God we have a creek under the pipe and we're pulling through. Got the top cover, so the pipe is out. We got about 120 feet of pipe in there. This was the problem. It must have been rubbing on the side of the casing. It rubbed through the wires, so the pump itself was okay. Just rubbed through them, but we're gonna put a new pump on it first. This is the pump. Torch behind the seat. The new one. This is the lift.
You got the balloon?
Just got plastic pipe on it.
Black balloon?
We're gonna put new metal connectors and new wire on it. So here's the new pump. Put a rubber piece on the top so it doesn't bang around as bad. Here's the actual well there. Of course you can't see the bottom because it's super deep, but there's the cap for it. Put new wiring on. Plastic pipe. So we got the well all put back together and we got water. I mean, look at the well. Yeah, it all looks dark now, but everything looks exactly the same except there's a new black wire coming out of here. I don't even know what it's gonna cost. Probably $3 or $4 grand, I would guess. But hopefully she lasts a little longer. I think this one lasted maybe 15 or possibly 20 years, so not too bad. Add water to the cows, and took them about 5 hours to get it done, so 2 guys. We just got our bill to have the well pulled, so I can go through everything here, but the bottom line is it's $2,262 is what it ended up costing us to have the well pulled. So the biggest was of course the new pump, which is the second line item there, and labor obviously was another over $500. The rest of it's miscellaneous. We put new wiring on and that sort of thing, so hopefully we don't get too many of those bills here. And the well should be good for another 20 years, hopefully. So anyway, talk to you later. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. Thank you.